The new BMW X3 G48 has officially launched in China, offering an extended wheelbase and a more affordable price. Locally assembled at the BMW-Brilliance factory in Shenyang, this X3 is tailored to meet the needs of the Chinese market. Compared to its global counterpart, the G45, the Chinese X3 is 90 mm longer and features a 111 mm extended wheelbase, bringing its dimensions closer to the BMW X5. On the outside, the X3 G48 retains BMW's signature design language, featuring a large kidney grille, sleek headlights, and refined silver accents. The M Sport package is also available for those who want a sportier look. Inside, the X3 boasts a modern cabin with a large curved display, integrating a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel and a 14.9-inch touchscreen. It also includes a D-shaped 3-spoke steering wheel, a compact gear shifter, and BMW's signature crystal infotainment controller. Thanks to the extended wheelbase, rear passengers enjoy increased legroom, enhancing comfort on long journeys. Under the hood, the BMW X3 in China offers two powertrain options. The entry-level 25L comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, producing 188 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque. It's paired with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic gearbox, accelerating from 0 to 100 km/h in 8.9 seconds. The more powerful 30L variant delivers 255 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque, reaching 100 km/h in just 6.6 seconds. Starting at 349,900 yuan, or about $48,000, the base model includes 19-inch wheels, multiple cameras and sensors, a sunroof, heated front seats, and a premium sound system. This makes it $14,250 cheaper than the BMW X3 G45 sold in Germany. Deliveries for the Chinese X3 begin in May 2025. What do you think of the China-made BMW X3? Let us know in the comments.